traditional leaders filing past the remains of the former First Lady, Mrs. Theresa Abba Kufuor. Yesterday, it started with a church ceremony where the families read their tributes, with the children reading a special dedicated tributes to their mother. And now today, we're having the state funeral. It will move from there and go to Kumasi, where other funeral arrangements will be happening.
Where this morning the final funeral rites and burial service is taking place of Her Excellency the late Theresa Kufuor. She is the wife of ex-president John Ejekun Kufuor. Mother Theresa, she is affectionately known all around the country. Lived and served her people as will every other First Lady. And this morning, the nation gathers together at the forecourt of the State House to bid her farewell. And so if you arrive at the forecourt of the State House, if you're entering from the AICC entrance, not the back of the State House, but the main entrance, then it will be towards your left as you approach the Houses of Parliament. Here this morning are many dignitaries, but let me take from security. As you approach, you have a very well-manned police presence at the entrance, and then before you enter the actual funeral ground, you also have the police, as well as what I'll call the national security, the hidden side of our security apparatus, also present. And at the various stands, you have the VIP or the VVIP, where dignitaries such as the President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor, as well as the members of government, both minority and majority, will be seated. I have seen this morning here present the Honorable Adainimo, Honorable Alanche Mating, and then Honorable Efriye Osei Akoto, all file past the body not too long ago, paying their final and last respect. I have also seen Lady Reverend Joyce Ayi, who stood there a few minutes, muttering what looks like a prayer or final farewell message to Mother Teresa as she lay in state. The body is laid facing the sea eastwards, and so she's facing towards the Accra Sports Stadium. To my immediate right, you have stands for political parties. You also, following there, you have diplomats or members of the diplomatic corps. You also have family members. Let me say notably, here is Honorable Alan Chemating with his movement for change, clad in the movement Afafranta butterfly traditional cloth. He himself is dressed or is clothed in black, and followed hugely by members of his movement for change. The rest who contested with him came in their individual capacities, and so you'll find Honorable Efriye Akoto seated to the very entrance to the right, where currently in your shot my camera is going closer to get him for us, and he is exchanging pleasantries with members as well, members of government and of the public who are entering. And yes, we have a huge media presence, police, military, the various bands, the police band, the fire service bands are all present. We also have a huge media presence. The media has taken our place, and we're making sure nothing goes amiss. Due to current laid down protocol, we will not be able to give you a shot of his of the body, but then you will catch a glimpse of it, and then we move away towards the other side of it.